Hey guys, today I have another memory stick, the KIOXIA Transmemory USB flash drive, 32GB. It's called HAYABUSA U301 is the code. It's, as I said, 32GB. The good thing is about this is made in Japan, it says here, okay. It's for USB 3.2, 3.0, and 2.0 for Windows, Mac, and OS. What else? 5-year warranty, very important also, and good price at just 3.5 euros. I bought it. I don't like the cap. Let's open the box up. So this is in the box. As you see, it's quite small. The good thing is that you do not need the scissors to open the box up. It has a cap, USB, 32GB. It says 3.2 here, but it's good for the other things. I prefer if it did not have a cap because I'm going to use it in my car. You can put the cap on the back, of course, like this. And the thing about the USB drives, you cannot put like this. You can only put this size only. It has a hole for a lanyard thing, for some kind of cord. And the thing about the USB sticks is the transfer speed. So we're going to see the transfer speed for some songs that I'm going to do in my PC. So we'll just connect the new USB stick. It's recognized, as see here, KIOXIA. And let's take those videos, let's copy them. Let's go to the new USB stick and let's paste them. And as you can see, the speed, as you say, is 21 or 20 megabytes per second. It's faster than the previous USB stick that I transferred, which were around 15 megabytes per second. So the KIOXIA at the same price as this Kingston Exodia 64 gigabytes, though 3.2 USB stick that flash drive stick that I reviewed in a previous video. It has a better speed of 5 more megabytes per second. However, it has a smaller capacity of 32 gigabytes, or probably 28. I think it's the full. Let's see how the whole capacity says here. Its capacity is 28.8 gigabytes, although it says 32. Has a better transfer speed, same same price as the Kingston. Both are cheap flash drives. So probably it's gonna be a good buy, I believe. That's about it about the USB 3.2 KIOXIA Transmemory U301 or Hayabusa flash drive. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.